Back at you again, again. Singing them rhymes, doing everything, we don't carry no straps. We got all the beats we need to keep everything going, keep it clean. It's IE Automotive. IE Automotive. Alrighty, we got a harmonic balancer on. Yeah, you always want to use an installer because a hammer is too much impact and it's going to destroy the crank. That's the first step. And that's the Holley kit. We're about to install that. In the kit, they give you all the hardware you need. So here's the bolts. Alrighty, we have the first part done. Let's move on to the next. Gonna go with the crank pulley. What we have here is the crankshaft pulley, serpentine kit, Holley. Okay, I got my harmonic balancer on. I got my crank on. Now I'm about to install my water pump. It's next. It goes right in the middle. Okay, here's the new water pump. Alrighty, I got the water pump on. Next, we're gonna do the accessories. Okay, next, we got the power steering. About to install that. And now we got the power steering pulley. We about to install that now. Take a special tool to press that on. On this one, make sure that you install the alternator first because the pulley is in the way. Because the pulley got to be pressed on. All right, we got the alternator. We're about ready to install that. Alrighty. Alrighty, we got the alternator on. We got the power steering on. We got the water pump on. Harmonic balancer. And we got the crank pulley on. Now we're going to do the air condition, tensioner, and the serpentine belt. Alright, now we're about to install the tensioner. Goes right there. You got these two little dowels. One is big, one is small. So it only could go one way like this. This is big, this is small. Alrighty. Now we got the tensioner on. We're going to put on the serpentine belt. That's the part number. Alrighty. Now we're going to put our covers on for the air condition, tensioner, and the alternator. There's a cover for the AC. Alrighty, there it is. That's your Holley setup. You got your AC unit, you got your tensioner, your water pump, your housing, your alternator, your power steering bracket, your pulley, your damper bolt, and the harmonic balancer. It's the whole setup.